All right, so we're gonna do something a little bit different today. Today I'm going to service one of my dad's truck because it has a check engine light on it, and we're gonna go diagnose the problem. Thank you. You too. All right, so we are servicing this big boy right here. So first, we gotta unhook it, and hopefully it'll start. Alright, so according to the reader, apparently we have a low voltage battery. And as you know, every diesel truck has two batteries. 1, 2. So today we're going to change out this battery right here. But before we do that, we got to go to the parts store and get a new battery. Alright, got our battery in the back. Now time to head back. Alright, so first order of business is to remove this bracket right here. Alright, so before we put the terminals back on the battery, it is recommended that you put, this is called battery gel. So basically you put this around your terminals, and this prevents it from rusting or corrosion or just all whatever. Yeah, you get it. Disgusting. Alright, now that that's all done, now time to put everything back together and see what the difference is. Alright, let's start up the truck and see if it makes a difference. Oh yeah, much better. Way much better. All right, let's take first test drive. The issue was with this truck is that it always kept not starting properly, so it would just, the battery would completely die and it would just not start at all, so we'd always have to jump start it. All right, the last thing we're gonna do is wash the So the last thing we're gonna do is wash the truck, but we're not just gonna wash it with regular water. We're gonna wash it with 200-degree water, boiling water, very hot water. And you're thinking, Phil, how is that possible? Do you have a machine like that? Yes, I do. If you look right here, this is a pressure washer. I know it's big. This tank fuels the motor, and this diesel tank is what heats up this boiler. So we can get hot water to wash cars. Alright, so now she's all clean. So if you guys are wondering how this works, inside there is just a coil of tubes that go around and round and round. So what this diesel fuel does, it heats up this whole thing, and the water passes through here, and it heats up really, really quickly, and it comes out here through these tubes and out here, and then you just spray it on. So while my car is here, I am going to wash it because I do not want it to rust from all the salt, gunk, dookie, trash. Disgusting. Let's wash it. Ooh, she is all nice and pretty. Although she's gonna get dirty again due to the weather. So that's gonna suck. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me washing cars, 200-degree water cars. I hope you guys enjoyed me stuttering because I can't talk. Well, my battery just yeeted itself, so I guess I'm gonna have to use my phone. Alright, like I was saying, if you guys enjoyed today's content, please be sure to subscribe, please leave a like, and comment on more stuff you guys want to see. If you want me to see me use this 200-degree water power washer, let me know. Alright, that's pretty much it. Peace.